Okay, my hair is so long. It's a good start to tune up. Hey everyone, it's Ollie here, and in today's video we'll be doing an introduction into how to play the ukulele. We're going to be looking at some of the different parts, as well as going through some basic chord patterns and how you can start off holding your ukulele as well. Before we start any of that, we're going to go through some of the different parts of our ukulele and have a little look at them. So we have got here the body of the ukulele where all our sound is produced, and it's kind of the main part of our instruments. We have got the neck here, which is where we are going to be playing a lot of our chords. We've got the head of the ukulele where our tuning pegs can be found, and they kind of keep our strings attached, and that's also a job for the bridge as well. And anytime we play our strings, which you can see here, our sound travels through the sound hole, which is located right here. So those are a couple of features. As you can see, something slightly different about our ukulele is that we only have 4 strings compared to our sister instrument, the guitar, which has 6. These strings have a slightly different tuning to a guitar, and I'm going to go through that in just a moment. Before we start anything, we need to get into a good playing position. It's really important that we're in a good playing position so we feel comfortable and that we are ready to play our ukulele. So whether you're right-handed or left-handed, what I want you to do now is I want you to lay your ukulele across your lap. So feet firmly on the floor and just place it on your lap. Now if you are right-handed, the head of the ukulele should be facing this way, or I think if you're watching me it should be this way. And if you are left-handed, it should be facing this way, I think. Comment below if I'm wrong. Okay, so you're going to take your left hand here. You're going to place your left hand onto the neck of the ukulele like so here. You're going to take your right hand, you're going to place it right here. And then you're going to bring it up to your chest like so. Then you're turning it over, okay? And when you do, this will be the best position for you to be playing your ukulele in. Nice and comfortable, ready to go. You already look like a professional. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to quickly work on our left hand here. So the way we're going to be placing our left hand on the ukulele is having our thumb up like this, and we're going to be looking for the middle part of our ukulele. Okay, we're going to be looking for the middle part here. That's where our thumb needs to be, and then our fingers just need to go over like so, and that is going to be our best playing position for now. This is our resting position, so we're covering all the strings. That means none of the strings are going to make any noise. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to have a little go at some strumming patterns with our right hand. Okay. So this is what I call our thumbs up technique. Okay, it's a really easy way to get strumming on the ukulele. You may have seen people getting things out like little plectrums, something like this, a little plastic thing. So we don't need to be using one of these when we're playing the ukulele. That's because the strings are actually a lot thinner than a guitar strings are, and these are actually made out of a kind of plastic nylon. And if we use a plectrum, it's going to damage those strings. So what we're going to use is our thumb, hence our thumb up technique. So, ready position, okay? We're going to take our right hand, we're going to do thumbs up like this, okay? Then, what we're going to do is we're going to place this thumb on our top string here. And then, not pushing really hard, but pushing enough, you're just going to go through each string like so. And just get used to doing that. So do that a couple of times. Pause me for a moment if you want. So just getting used to playing those different strings, okay? Once you're happy doing that, what I want you to have a go at now is pushing down a little bit quicker, so we get going through all the different strings. And just have a go at doing a nice, consistent rhythm. Try along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we're going to have a little look at now are some of the strings and how they sound and what their names are. Okay, so we're in our position. Okay, this time we're going to let go with our left hand so we can hear some of these strings. Okay, so the first string we have got is this one. So this is G. So play that one more time. Brilliant. The one after that is this one. This is C. Then we've got E. And then we've got A. As you probably noticed then, as I was playing through, our top string is actually higher in pitch than our string below, and that's what's slightly different compared to things like a guitar, for example. Okay, so we're going to have a go at playing some of these different notes now. So with our left hand, we're going to let go of that of those strings, and we're going to use our thumb up technique, and we're going to place it on here, and we're just going to go through each individual string. So we're going to start with G. Here we go. Brilliant. Moving on to the next one. And then the next. And then the final one. Brilliant. So have a go at doing that now. And remember, when you're playing, try and set out those different notes as well. So we're going G, G, C, C, E, E, A, A. Another thing I like to do to try and remember some of these different notes is a little rhyme, and it goes something like this. Good children eat apples. If you can remember that rhyme, you'll be able to remember all those different notes. It always helps me. I've been using it for absolutely ages. And every time someone asks me, what note is this? I can just do the rhyme and I know it straight away. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to have a little go at some strumming patterns. Okay, so this is where we're going to be playing all our strings all together at the same time. When we're doing this, it's really important that we are using our left hand to let the strings ring out, and then when we want them to stop ringing out, we put our hand back on, and I'll show you now how to do that. So letting them ring out and then stopping them. Let's try this nice simple strumming pattern. Here we go. Let's do that one more time. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this first video. In the next one, we're going to be looking at some really basic chords that we're going to be using on a couple of the songs that we're going to be learning in the future. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment, as it really does help us out, and I will see you on the next one.